Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on the notifications to receive the update in eFootball 2024. So you have to go to notification settings. But before we start, I made this video is for beginner. They are new into this game, still confusing how this game is works, how to complete the mission, how to challenge the event, to get ton of rewards from it. Let's get started by tap the extras and tap this. And as you can see, there are some options here. There are total 5 extra options. Tap this game settings and this one notifications, receive notifications. Tap, so you can tap the receive to turn on, but let's cancel first. So this is the information detail about notifications. To receive notification, turn eFootball notification on from the application settings on your device. Change from the screen will not be applied when the setting is off on your device. Just tap this on. So it's finished. You can get notification from this game. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.